Hi everyone, I'm Ilona. Today we'll be painting a face. And yeah, just stick around to see the process. I'm really studying the planes of the head because the head is a 3D thing. And subscribe or like if you like it. In this painting, you can see I just put a basic layer of gray scale, and I can still see my drawing through it, so that that way it's just easier to paint like the dark spots and the bright spots, because you still see where they need to come because you added them in your drawing. And I'll be just adding like dark and light all the time, so that's basically like the whole progress. Just keep adding like dark where dark needs to be and light where light needs to be. Like in front of me there's my laptop with the reference picture, and it's also a black and white picture, so you already have like, you made it easier for yourself to draw this thing. I really recommend like doing it in black and white at first, because then you can really see where your light and dark is, because that's the whole point. If you do it in color, it gets way more confusing because you need to mix all the colors and stuff. So start off with like black and white, then at the end you will see I will add some color because I really like color obviously. And at this point I reached like a point that it's getting too my paint is getting too thick, so I can't see my drawing anymore, but that's okay because the basics are already painted, and I know where like the light and the darker stuff needs to come, and that's pretty fine. So add a bit of dark again, like just keep making it darker or brighter, and that's the whole thing. Just do it. Don't look at stuff and think, oh, I'll never be able to do it. Just try it and try it over and over again. That's the whole, you gotta love the process thing, I guess. I kind of do, so that's why I keep doing it. I really hope you enjoy this kind of videos because I kind of like it, and I like to share what I know with you guys. So yeah, leave a comment if you like it. I really try to keep these videos short, so I speed it up a lot, and then you can try afterwards or whatever. I'm just started making these videos, so if you have any tips or whatever, please like let me know. I can always use help. Everyone can, in my opinion. And like, enjoy yourself. Have a nice day. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you will do stuff, and just subscribe if you want to see more or are interested in like what I do. I'll see you next time. Bye.